All right, guys, we got you a 2019 Honda Civic LX 2.0. Beautiful red color. Got factory converter up there somewhere. They keep shoving them more and more towards the motor. Then it's got 2-inch pipe into a resonator. He didn't want to take off. He said maybe later on. So we told him, okay, we'll leave it on there. Then 2-inch pipe all the way back, and then we continued it and did a muffler delete into a dual blue flame tip because it looks so much better with it on there. Right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. And he bagged the muffler before I can show it to you guys. But there's a pipe here and a tip and the muffler. But he wanted to take the muffler with him. So, and like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Yeah, it's better. I like it. What do you guys think? Here's sound decibels. Again. 95. Go ahead and back it up. Honda Civic LX. You can hear the intake on it too. A nice stance to it. Dual tip. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. He might do the resonator delete next. We don't know yet. Get on it.